Hi everyone, this is Mark of Tech Pinas, and in this new Tech Pinas video, I'm going to show you how you can order food from McDonald's using the new McDelivery application and to pay for your order via Paymaya. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, of course, is to make sure that you already have a Paymaya account and that your balance is enough to cover your food order from McDonald's. Okay. Oh, and another thing, you have to make sure that your Paymaya account has already been upgraded, and you can do that by submitting images of your government issued IDs through Paymaya. The verification process for this upgrade usually takes around 24 hours. Okay, so after that, we're just gonna launch the new McDelivery app that you can download from the Google Play Store if you're using an Android smartphone, or if you're using an iPhone, you can get it from the Apple App Store. That's how it looks. So I've already previously set up my account and linked it to my Facebook account. So I'm just gonna log in. Now, if you're making your account or if you're signing up for the first time, then you'd have to give the app your name, your delivery address, and your contact details. Logging in. So as you can see, the application already has my address. Now let's order. I'm ordering for my family, so I'm just gonna choose one or two of the group meals. I like this, the 8-piece chicken McShare box. So I'm just gonna choose 4 spicy and 4 original. Let's add more products. I'm missing McDo French fries, so this 2 orders of BFF fries and McFloat combo. So this one comes with 3 McFloats. It's medium. And another one. Add to bag. And now we're ready to proceed to checkout. This is my order. I ordered 8-piece chicken McShare box and 2 orders of BFF fries and McFloat combo. The total amount is 964 and the delivery charge is 49 pesos. For a grand total of 1,013. Next. So here, the app already has my delivery address as well as my contact number. Now this is how you pay for your order using Paymaya. You just choose online payment. And if you'll be paying using your credit card, debit card, or Paymaya, you won't be able to apply your PWD or your senior citizen discount. Okay, now you place your order. So here you go. Under online payment, just tap on the Paymaya button. And you'd have to log in using your Paymaya account and password. Log in. And Paymaya will give you your one-time password, which should have to type in here. My one-time password is 891795. After keying that in, click on proceed. Okay, it says here you'll be paying Golden Arches Development Corporation, which is the company behind McDonald's, 1,013 pesos, and you can confirm your payment. Payment successful. This is the confirmation for the successful payment. And we've just placed our order and paid for it using Paymaya, and now we just need to wait for our food to arrive. And here we can track our order. Okay, that's great. So we're just gonna wait for our food to arrive. Thumbs up. Alright, so my McDo McDelivery order has arrived. Thank you so much, Paymaya. Let's eat!